In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inventory reports, tracking, maintaining, and more in QuickBooks Online. First, we need to make sure inventory tracking is actually turned on in your QuickBooks file. Without this, none of the inventory reports will work correctly. Start by going to the Settings menu. That's the little gear icon in the top right corner. From there, choose Account and Settings. On the left side, click on the Sales tab. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Products and Services. Then click Edit on the right. Here, you'll see options to track inventory. Make sure the boxes for Track Inventory Quantity on Hand and Track Quantity and Price or Rate are both checked. These settings tell QuickBooks to watch your stock levels and value as you buy and sell. Once those are checked, click Save, then Done, and your company is now ready to work with inventory. Next, let's add and manage your actual inventory items, because the quality of your reports depends on how accurate these items are. Go back to the left menu and click Sales, then choose Products and Services. This is your main list of everything you sell. To create a new item, click the New button and select the appropriate type, usually an inventory item if it's something you physically stock. In the Setup window, enter a clear name and a helpful description your team will recognize. Add the sales price so QuickBooks knows what you usually charge. Make sure the box that says I sell this product or service is checked. For items you want to track as inventory, confirm that inventory tracking is enabled for that item. This is what lets QuickBooks include it in your inventory reports, adjust quantities, and calculate costs properly. Take a moment to review these details before saving. Small mistakes here can snowball in your reports later. Now let's talk about recording inventory transactions, because this is what keeps your reports up to date. When you record a sale using an invoice or a sales receipt and select one of your inventory items, QuickBooks will automatically reduce the quantity on hand for that item. You don't have to manually change the stock level for every sale. When you purchase new stock, make sure you record it properly, typically through purchase orders and bills. This not only increases your inventory levels, but also feeds into your cost of goods sold, keeping your profit figures accurate. Finally, every so often, you'll need to adjust inventory for things like damage, loss, or differences you find during a physical count. To do that, go to New, then choose Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Carefully set the correct date, select the item, and enter the quantity change to match your actual physical count. Double-check this before saving, because these adjustments directly affect both your inventory value and your reports.